Hey everyone, Lenovo's latest iteration of the Yoga 27 all-in-one desktop, the AI Yuanqi Edition, represents a significant advancement in the AIO segment by seamlessly integrating high-performance computing with intelligent features and a versatile design. Set to launch in China on May 8th, this model is tailored for users who require a powerful yet elegant desktop solution for creative tasks, light gaming, and AI-driven productivity. At the heart of the Yoga 27 AI Yuanqi Edition is Intel's Core Ultra 9285H processor, built on TSMC's 3nm process. This 16-core, 16-thread CPU can reach speeds up to 5.4 GHz, ensuring robust performance for demanding applications. Complementing the processor is an optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, which alongside the CPU's integrated NPU, delivers a combined AI performance of up to 293 TOPS. This makes the system adept at handling AI-enhanced creative workflows and multitasking scenarios. The Yoga 27 features a 27-inch PureSight display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, offering 400 nits of brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen covers 99% of the sRGB color gamut and is Display HDR certified, ensuring vibrant and accurate color reproduction. Design-wise, the Yoga 27 stands out with its fully adjustable stand and unibody CNC machined metal frame. The display supports a 90-degree rotation with an auto-adjusting gravity sensor, a 45-degree horizontal swivel, a 70mm height adjustment, and a tilt range of -5 degrees to 10 degrees, providing flexibility for various use cases. Internally, the system is equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR, 5x7 467 RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, ensuring swift performance and ample storage. For those needing more, the Yoga 27 supports two M.2 PCIe 4.0 slots for additional storage expansion. Thermal management is handled by a massive heat pipe system and a silent 12-centimeter fan, maintaining noise levels below 28 decibels, even under load. Audio and video capabilities are enhanced by a JBL quad speaker system with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound quality. A 2.5K infrared camera facilitates face unlock and high-quality video conferencing. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring HDMI in or out, USB-A, Ethernet, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with 95-watt reverse charging, and a headphone port, accommodating a wide range of peripherals and devices. On the software front, the Yoga 27 integrates Lenovo's AI plus PC experience on Windows 11, along with the Xiaoxin Assistant. These features offer cross-device control, on-device large language model integration through DeepSeek, and intelligent file search capabilities, enhancing productivity and user experience. Pricing for Yoga 27 AI Yuanqi Edition starts at $1,306 for integrated GPU model. In summary, Lenovo Yoga 27 AI Yuanqi Edition is compelling all-in-one desktop that combines powerful hardware, intelligent features, and a flexible design. It caters to users seeking high performance, aesthetically pleasing, and versatile computing solution for various professional and creative tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day and God bless you.